Hey there guys, I just want to show you this cool little auto threader that the sewing machine has. So if you have sewing machines, you know about threading the needle, how it can be a pain sometimes. But this one, all you do is, you get it coming down from the top of your machine. You thread it through this little guide right here. And then you pull this little thing down. This is the auto threader. Pull it down and it pushes a little hook through the needle. Then you just put this thread. Let me give you a better view actually. That's probably a lot better view, huh? So what we're going to do is we're going to pull this baby down. And then see a little hook? So if you look right here at the end of this tip, there's a little hook. That comes through the needle right here and allows you to just hook the thread on to the hook, and then you let go and then it pulls it through the needle for you. Then from there, you just pull the rest through. Whatever you want to do. Just like that. And now you have a threaded needle without the headache. Thank you to the auto threading system. Thanks for watching, guys.